The road to figuring out what the best tools and techniques are when beginning or improving your online course can feel intimidating and overwhelming. Where do I start? What technologies are the most appropriate to use? How do I design and deliver a course that will engage and motivate my students? This is where DELTA comes in. Our workshops provide you the opportunity to learn about pedagogically proven ways to infuse technology effectively into your course design, build upon your current skills and knowledge, and explore new and innovative ways to harness the power of instructional technology. Whether you're new to NC State or just looking for a refresher on how to use the many academic tools available to you as an instructor, we can help you navigate the realm of teaching and learning with technology. DELTA workshops are free to all NCSU faculty, staff, and graduate students. For more information, visit our workshops homepage at delta.ncsu.edu/workshops or go.ncsu.edu/deltaworkshops. Locate the topics you're interested in attending and register now. It's as simple as that. DELTA, providing helpful, learner-focused support and modeling effective teaching practices in online learning.